And today we're going to do an acoustic tutorial for the way I play Key to the Highway here on this channel. And then you pick the open 5th string and the open 6th string, like that. So, and then you switch your fingers, bar the 11th fret from the 4th string down to the 1st with your 1st finger. Bring your 2nd finger on the 12th fret of the 1st string. And then you slide your 3rd finger from the 2nd fret on the 5th string to the 4th fret on the 5th string. So, first finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then pick the 4th fret on the 5th string again with the 3rd finger. So, like that. You can keep it on there, and you can let them both ring if you want to. I do that a lot, let them both ring at the same time, or make them choppy. So I go like... like that. So, then you go. All right, so I'll show you that part in a second. Let's go through the whole thing first, where we are to right now slowly. So it goes. When you come down for this little run, coming down, you can either pick the bottom string or you can pick both the 2nd and 1st string. It sounds nice either way, so you can go like that or you can go. And the 3rd time I pick that twice and bend on the 2nd time, so like this.